Wanna know how to boost your speed up in Snake.io? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Snake.io game and make sure to hit on play right here. That's really on the bottom right side. So we have also created a video on how to install Snake.io on Android or iPhone, so make sure to watch it. Now, boosting your speed. Boosting your speed in Snake.io is pretty simple. What you need to do is just simply make sure you get these colorful points that should be on the ground right here, which will make your snake grow and which will charge its boost. So once you've gotten enough of these, you can just simply hold this boost button right here. So once you've done that, as you can see, your snake will be boosted right here until you want. And now in order to recharge, you can just simply eat these points or gums again, and that's it. Super simple and easy. You can also kill other snakes in order to get more points, and which will help you in boosting. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.